Today we're gonna cook some hot and spicy noodles. It's the fiery beef, so let's get into it, guys. Open. So we have 3 packets here. This looks like the dehydrated vegetables. This look like chili sauce and some type of seasoning. I'm not gonna put too much water, guys. That much should be good to start it out, and once I fire it up, should be good to add some more. But yeah, this is where I connect it right here. And this pot have 2 settings. That's high, and it has a low setting. The high setting is super hot. Like, this pot would heat up in, like, I would say a minute or 2. It's super hot. You can put your stuff in first and then put your noodle. I don't know where I heard that from, but I just remembered I was about to put that first. Oh man, I don't want to put too much hot sauce though. It says fiery beef. I guess I want to taste this right here. Let me see. This is the seasoning. It's not spicy. This is not spicy. I guess this is like the actual pepper, you know what I mean? Chili sauce. This is probably super hot, so I'm gonna put like half of it so that way I don't mess it up. There you go. Oh man, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. This is crazy. I have my little handy dandy garbage bin right here. So I'm gonna put that down right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this mixed up. Just like that. I don't know if it's getting hot. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, it's hot. Guys, I usually have a white towel here. A nice little towel when I cook or like heat up my food. I'll show you guys what I have in here. So that's my food right there. As you guys can see, I have spaghetti and spaghetti sauce and cheese and stuff like that here, but I'm not gonna eat any of this tonight. I have a hot dog in there, as you guys can see right there. I have some insurance stuff. I have an orange right here that's been sitting for a while. I'll probably throw that out if I don't eat it by tomorrow or the next day. And the Pepsi. I'll probably have this with the noodles. Yep, there we go. Ghost pepper. I wouldn't be needing that, but yeah. I have some I think this is chicken and rice. All right, this looks good now, so I'll go ahead and get this in here. Oh man. Oh, I gotta put more water actually. Guys, take a look at this. So that's 1 case of water, that's a 2nd case of water, and you guys won't guess what those are right there. I have this broom right here. This is what I sweep my trailer out with when it's super dirty. I don't want to touch everything because oh my god, I got grease on me already. What the hell? I didn't even mean to do that, man. Oh man, I gotta go wash my hands now. So those bags right there, guys, are snow chains. Those are called snow chains. So when it's snowing and our tires on the truck are like skidding on the ice, we can take those out, lay them out, and put them on the tires, around the tires. I'll try to get a photo and show you guys what it looks like. Alrighty, guys, take a look at this, guys. This looks super cool right now, but the only thing is, I feel like the seasoning that I have in the packet is not enough for this amount of food. I don't know, but I'll go ahead and add some more to it. I have some all-purpose seasoning, so I'll just go ahead and put some more of this on it. A little bit of everything. Yeah, that looks good. Not too much. Of course, pepper flakes, crushed red pepper. A little bit of that, a little bit of this. I wanted to put some hot dogs in it, but yeah, those hot dogs are like, they're rock solid right now. Garlic powder. It's pretty much like the seasoning that's in the packet. This one is, what is this one? Onion powder. Yep, a little bit of everything. There you go. have ground beef, chicken, and turkey and stuff little packets, and I usually put them in the refrigerator, but I don't have space for it. I have a hot dog there that pretty much does everything, because if I'm cooking rice-a-roni, I'll leave that to cook some more. I think I'll add some more water to it actually. There we go. Let that cook. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on it so it cooks a bit faster. Maybe not. But yeah, guys, this is my pretty much like a food pantry right here, a mini pantry. As you guys can see, I have some spaghetti right here. I had a whole jar of spaghetti sauce that's finished. I have mashed potatoes and stuff. Mashed potatoes would go really well right now, but I don't have the time to go cook mashed potato and all of that right now. Guys, this right here, this don't make any sense. Like, try to organize this thing, because when I'm driving, everything just goes everywhere, you know. I have some vegetable broth right there. Rice-a-roni. I'll just put that right there. I have cayenne pepper in this thing. I don't know, it's probably finished. I have a little bit more. I keep forgetting to take that in the morning. But yeah, Maxwell House coffee. Jambalaya. Guys, everything is like super small. We have to like have many versions of things, you know what I mean? Here I have some oil in here, olive oil, honey. I don't even know why I'm doing this, because it don't make no sense. It'll be right where I initially started doing that. And here, of course, I have some clothing. I have to organize all of this, guys. Everything, I have to organize every single thing again. Alrighty, guys, take a look at that. So I go ahead and I give it another stir. Oh, this is super hot right now. Yeah, this definitely needs to be cooked some more. At least 5 more minutes. Yeah, I'll let that cook some more. Probably add some more water too. I don't know. There we go. All right, give it a little shake. And there we go, guys. I'll just go ahead and put my seasoning back up here. And as you guys can see, this is my bed for the night, guys. That's where I'll be sleeping. I'm going to put these back right here. And tomorrow, everything's going to be here. Like, this is going to go all, it don't even matter. You know, driving. Even if you try to drive with caution, you know what I mean? People brake check you and all that. So it really doesn't matter, to be honest. And of course, I'll whip out my little table. Yeah, that's got to cook some more, man. Right here, guys, in the next videos that I'll show you guys, you'll probably see I'll put some storage here. Not right now, but in the future. I'm thinking about here. I want to put like shelves. I don't know. This has some grooves here, so I guess you can get like I don't know, like something to go here, and you can put shelves. But I'll have to figure something out. I can maybe put like storage units here and pull it out. But that will take a whole lot of space. I want to just put like shelves, you know, like 3 shelves would be great. I can have 1, 2, and the bottom as 3 shelving units. Here I'll leave these right here. I'll probably put, this is a hanger. I can't do anything there, but it'll be nice if I can have some more space here. This is all like electronics, wiring and stuff behind here. And like I told you guys, right here, I'm thinking about putting a TV right there, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, I'm thinking about putting a TV right there. I'm thinking about taking like these screw out here. I'll have to ask my company to see what they say, because I don't want to just go ahead and do something that I can't, you know. Alrighty, guys, let's check on this noodle. So it looks to me that it's done. I don't know, what do you guys think? It looks like it's finished, man. I'll go ahead and give it a whip it. Yeah, I think it's done. Super soft. I mean, the way I like it. Super soft and well cooked. So I just give this a little wiggle. Take that out. Take this out. This goes in there. And this, I'll be sitting right here, guys. Can maybe put this right here so that way nothing drips. Alrighty, guys, so I have my soup here that I just cooked. So I'll go ahead and give it a taste test and see how it goes, guys. Oh man, this is kind of hot. It's all right. It's not bad. I mean, guys, for truck drivers, I'll tell you guys this. 95 to 98% of food out there tastes good to a truck driver, because think about it, you drive for the whole day. You're super hungry, you're tired, you want to go to sleep and all that. You're hungry, so basically anything tastes good for a truck driver, you know what I mean? Pretty good, man. It's all right. It ain't bad. Wash it down with some Pepsi, guys. Cheers, guys. Yeah, it ain't bad at all. But like I told you guys, I really don't like noodles like that. But yeah, I was feeling kind of stuffy today, and I was like, this is the perfect time to make some of these noodles, you know, because I do have to like use the stuff out so I can bring more stuff in the truck. I probably won't bring this one back. I'll probably bring some more on the truck. Something like organic ramen noodle. I'll bring some of those on the truck. It's way better than these ones. This is like I would say the cheap one, you know what I mean? Which is not so healthy. It's not good for you, you know what I mean? It's just like snack. I wouldn't even consider this food. Alrighty, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Been good hanging out with you guys for tonight. Tomorrow I have a few more loads I'm delivering tomorrow to Costco. Again, guys, if you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more crazy videos like this, guys. And we'll keep in touch. Thanks for watching, and peace out.